Let's start with the prevention of COVID-19 virus. There are 6 steps of them. The first one is wash your hands with any kind of soap. The second one is use coverage. The third one is clean all your stuff. The fourth one is avoid the crowd. The fifth one is do not touch your eyes, nose, or lips. And the sixth step is cook your food thoroughly. I hope that we are stay healthy and stay productive at home. I am in the park. I am at the park. Or I am on the park. How should we use in, at, and on? Now, the preposition of place will start with what is the preposition itself. Preposition or kata depan link a word to another part of the sentence and tell us what the relationship is. Preposisi atau kata depan menghubungkan sebuah kata dengan bagian yang lain dari kalimat dan menjelaskan apa hubungannya. And the preposition of place itself describe the position of a person or thing in relation to another person or thing. Dan kata depan yang menjelaskan tempat mendeskripsikan posisi dari seseorang atau hal dalam hubungannya dengan seseorang atau hal yang lain. The preposition of place that we are going to study for today is at, in, on. The first one, we will start with at. At is used to describe specific point or place. At digunakan untuk mendeskripsikan letak yang spesifik atau sebuah tempat, dan letaknya itu sangat spesifik atau tepat pada tempatnya. And here is the example. There is a dog at the top of my house. Ada seekor anjing di atap rumahku. The next one, at is used for an exact address. At digunakan untuk alamat yang tepat atau alamat yang pasti dan jelas. And this is the example. Lina lives at 33rd Melati Street. Lina tinggal di Jalan Melati nomor 33. Jadi dia tidak hanya menggunakan nama kota atau nama jalan saja, tapi betul-betul alamat yang tepat. The next one, at is used for an event. He was at Dua Lipa concert last night. Dia berada di konser Dua Lipa tadi malam. And the next one is, at is used for buildings or place where an event or activity takes place. He is at the library with his friend now. Dia berada di perpustakaan dengan temannya sekarang. And the last function of at is for a stop of a journey. The train stopped at Gambir. Kereta ini berhenti di Gambir.
Thank you.